Prince Kimathi mwitikana jawa ria muthia na nogoketwe kwao nja mujwa South Imenti kiri kiuthurano kiria gikinyini mwingi jwantu Kimathi akarikanwa ni nkoro yao ya wendo mono kumana na kiuthurano kia jawa kana Just As We Are kiria ni kia ana na kinyantu banene barabata ukirikim uria withiritwo akimenyerana bagwa kagita arari mukuru wa makena wa materi uria ukuretagira mubango jwankatha chietu kiri Weru TV na kinya mubango jwa tutharimwe ndene akameme ya Weru FM 96.4 mutugikare gatwambaririe cio neji cia keba
nikiathukia muthia kia rugendo rwa mutigire Lawrence Kimathi wijikene tanjawa na arari mukuru wa makena wa matiri mutangazaji wa kamemeka Weru na TV ya Weru ari antu banja achure na aturi bakuyite kuringiria Kimathi mono antu banja bakionera kwithikira kagite na kumwirete bwega.
Your time was up and you had to go. I really tried my best that day, but it was your time. Till we met in heaven. Bye.
I will never forget about your unwavering love, Daddy. I hope that I shall see you again.
And being the incredible man that you were, I'm sure heaven was in need of you, an angel like you, who committed his life for others. Rest in peace, my angel. We shall meet again upon God's appointed time.
You may be gone from sight, but you will never be gone from my heart. Rest well until we meet again.
I know you will always be with us forever. Go well, my brother.
Kimathi nkuru kinarare mukuru wa kanisa ya Katholiki mujwa na narare kiamene gya kurugitwa CMA na kuma kiri kanisa.
Whatever you did to the least of those little girls and boys and men and ladies, he did it to Jesus Christ.
Kimathi arare Kimathi kinyatwe tutwekeni ama amathi
jaya tangazaji ba Weru FM na TV kinyabobeja kwekomo wao makena kagite na kagakomo
ibwendete Weru TV na Weru FM bas tuatuletete rambirambi shetu aja na makena na Njawa family. We will be there to support you today and tomorrow and to the future.
Na muthia kuma kiria shore ba Kimathi na mono barabara ndete ngugia werera ritaga ya kumenyera twana turaturi na mawathe kirinja ya Njawa bethira bakionania Weru bobo kugwatira nja ije bakiuga batereka kiroto gya Kimathi gikwa.
Anybody who comes to Jawa is not coming to like be merciful. He's not coming like to feel. He's coming to celebrate with your children.
Jawa must be there even without Kimathi. No, to Kimathi arrived a very big legacy. He had very huge social capital.
We need to implement that to ensure that Jawa egwekero rose as the wishes the director Kimathi.
Kuma mujwa gishigo mbunge kia Central Imenti nke report rateto cia Weru Juma rea kwa rieto ni mutuge kare.